If you go to Paris, there is one meal that you absolutely have to try. We've been to Paris a couple of times because it's the easiest and cheapest flight from Montreal to the UK, and every single time we go for the same thing. You might be thinking, croissants, eclairs, brie, baguette? No. None of those. We've tried them and they're delicious, but there is one dish that keeps pulling us back over and over. Fondue savoyarde. And not just any fondue savoyarde. No, we are talking the best cheese fondue that you can find in Paris. Gooey, melty, and rich Alpine cheese combined with wine over laughter and shared with people that you love. After years of searching and testing to find the best one, we finally have our winner. Here it is. We came to one of our favorite restaurants in the heart of Paris. This place is called Le Brasier, and their specialties are cheese fondue and raclette, which is also one of our favorites. Oh, it's coming. It's filming.
Voilà. Je mets 2 petits poêlons pour le fromage. Ça c'est à partager, ça c'est à partager, ça c'est une protection.
This is going to be amazing. Not only it's like our favorite thing, but it's a specialty here in France, so cannot wait to dig in. Ah voilà, merci. Voilà. We are ready. Let's feast. So yes, we went for the raclette, which is cold meats, more cheese, potatoes, and dip. And of course, the fondue savoyarde, which is a classic blend of 3 cheeses, white wine, and you just dip cubes of crusty bread, traditionally baguette, into the molten cheese using long forks. Even if you are lactose intolerant, listen, this meal is absolutely worth it. What I love doing the most is mixing things in. So we have charcuteries, we have our raclette, we have our cheese fondue. And my favorite thing is like now I'm mixing the cheese fondue, some charcuterie, a little bit of dip. I know this bite is gonna be amazing. Let's go. Guys, 10 out of 10. I can taste the wine in the cheese fondue, the charcuterie. I don't know if you can hear the cheese. We know that this is gonna be insane. I'm gonna grab my raclette right now, have a bite of that. Okay, bon appétit. And that's all I have for you guys this week. I just wanted to come here and talk about the most amazing cheese fondue ever. This is not sponsored. We just literally love this place so much and want everyone to discover the joys of fondue savoyarde. See you guys next week.